Welcome back. Residents of Ruzarwado Shelpe complained that drinking water supply to them is contaminated with sewerage water. The residents claim that even after a number of complaints, PWD officials have failed to address the problem. This has become a regular worry for the residents.
Locals are worried over the contamination of drinking water in Ruzarwado Shelpe in Duler. This has become a regular affair in their ward.
For the past 4 or 5 days, we have not been having water. And the water also that is available through that pipe is a very filthy, dirty water, which comes from the mountains from St. Xavier's right down, and it gets mixed up with our pipes. That is the water that we are drinking these days.
Locals are angry with the officials of health and PWD.
कंप्लेन हांवें 3 फावटी रजिस्टर केले ते एकटो सांगता की रासनोडसून उदीक वाल बंद आहा हें बंद आहा तें उदीक येवचें ना म्हाज्या घरा कडेन 2-3 भुरगीं आहा 2 जाण आहा तर म्हाका उदीक घाम सोडून तें उदीक भरचें पडटा पयलीं मागीर कामाक आतां तांकां कितें आतां ऑफिसान तांकां कामाचें कांय पडलेलें ना आमच्या 1-2 दीस येना जाल्यार आमची सॅलरी कट जाता तें सोडून आमी थिंगा वचून कंप्लेन दिवची पडटा ते गेले जाल्यार व्हडली शेणपणां सांगता हांव ऑपरेटर आहा हांव नायटीचो आहा हांव डेचो आहा कोण आन्सर करिना आन्सर केल्यार ते विचारलेले फावटी ते सांगता आपणाक खबर ना तूं ए कडेन उडय जेई कडेन तेंचे कडेन उलोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार येतलें 100% शुअर येता बट तेंच्या कामाचें तांकां गॅरंटी ना आतां हें सेकंड टायम जालें हें
आनी तितून कितें जालां ते बिल्डिंगेच्या सायडीचे सेप्टिकाचे ओकले घाणीचें उदीक सोडलां ते उदीक सगळें आमचे ड्रिंकींग वॉटरान मिक्स जालां मिक्स जावन आमी इतले तांकां कंप्लेनी केले तरी तेंच्यांनी कांयच एक्शन घेवंक ना आयज सकाळीं जेन्ना आमी तांकां सांगलें की आमी सगळे रिपोर्टराक कंप्लेन करतले आनी रिपोर्टरांक सगळ्यांक आफयतले म्हणून बेगीन सकाळीं येयला आनी तेंच्यांनी ते रिपेर केला बट कंडिशन हांगा अशें आहा आमच्या वाड्याचें कोणाचेंच पडोंक ना आतां सायडीक तुमी पळयल्यार ते उदीक रावलां थंय ते हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाक सुद्दां कंप्लेन केला ते सुद्दां एक्शन घेयना.
This is the second case in last 15 days after drinking water in Santini's area of Panji was found contaminated with the sewage. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Goa Volleyball Association's long-serving president Irvin Soares feels that volleyball will have a positive future when sports becomes a subject in schools. With the elections to the local body coming up, Irvin has told Prudent that he will not contest for any post in the GVA. Irvin has recently been elected unopposed as the Vice President of the Volleyball Federation of India.
Now on, we are planning to go into the school level because now it is a curriculum. Now volleyball and sports is becoming a subject, so we will be able to get students. Earlier we had problems because students would not come for volleyball. They would come for the selection, but they would not come for the nationals because of examinations, and parents wouldn't leave them because they had no benefits. So now we have the sports policy at place. We are going to see that lots of players will come forward because they will take it as their sporting activity. I had filed my nomination for the post of the Vice President of the Volleyball Federation of India, and fortunately I was elected unopposed as one of the Vice President of the Volleyball Federation of India. I am happy, extremely happy, but at the same time I need to associate with the Goa Volleyball Association under a new team, which very soon we will be conducting elections, and for which I will not be contesting for any post.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.